Greetings everyone, I'm the Thrival nurse and I'm excited that you're here. In this video, I will discuss having a support system and the key people you should look to put in your corner. But before we get into it, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and turn on your post notifications. This way you won't miss a beat and you'll get notified every time I upload new content. Thank you so much for your support. Now, let's get started. Nursing school is difficult, which I discussed in a different video. And if it isn't hard enough, doing it alone makes it even harder. I believe that you need people on your team in order to make you successful. You need a support system. So there are people that you should intentionally identify in your life to make them a valuable part of this support system. Don't go through nursing school alone. I'm going to list what I call the key person/key people that you should intentionally look to as possible sources of help. There are 7 of them. Key person/people number 1, a significant other or spouse. A significant other, like a boyfriend or a girlfriend, or a spouse for married couples, are often a key person in a support system. This is typically the person you can rely on and trust the most. Many significant others or spouses will say that they will support you initially, but they don't really know what this will entail. I encourage you to have a deep conversation with this person before nursing school begins to identify key responsibilities you want them to carry for you to help lighten your load. And remember that you are actually probably asking them to do much more than they usually do. Many spouses or significant others work full-time jobs, plus they take care of all the needs in the house and take care of children. You are likely expecting a lot from them, and they need to be able to fully support you. So make sure that you revisit that deep conversation with them at least once per term or semester to redefine responsibilities as needed. This person is subject to burnout, which anyone is, and they will likely miss you and seek attention from you. So make sure to make time for this person throughout nursing school. If you do not spend any time with them, you will make them feel unappreciated and it may strain the relationship. You need this person to be able to recharge and stay strong so that they can continue to support you. Key person/people number 2, older children. If you have older children, like in middle school and beyond, they will likely be much more self-sufficient than younger children. Explain to them what your journey is like, what you are starting, and ask them to help. They will love that you asked, and then put them to work. Now, I'm not saying that you're slaving them away, but if you have older children who drive, you can send them on errands that you might usually do yourself. You can give them more responsibilities like chores, cooking, cleaning, and asking them to do such things will actually teach them the value of hard work and discipline. In our family, each of my 3 children cook a meal 1 night per week. This helps me by having 3 free weeknights where I do not need to worry about the cooking. And then they get a chance to explore their cooking skills, and it gets to set them up well for the time when they move out. It's a win-win. Your children will want you to reach your goals, and they will be so thankful that they got to be a part of it and so proud of you when you are finished. Key person/people number 3, parents. Some of you may actually live at home with your parents still while you're in nursing school, and they are likely your biggest supporters. If you live at home rent-free while you're in nursing school, take advantage. Your parents will likely help you out with other needs that you might have, like paying tuition. If you do not live at home, your parents can still be a big part of your support system, especially if you have a conversation with them on how challenging this will be for you. If you have younger children, many times your parents will want to watch their grandchildren for free. What a benefit. Key person/people number 4, extended family. Extended family can help, especially if you have close and strong relationships with them. Some of you may have favorite aunties and uncles, grandparents, cousins, siblings, or in-laws. They will be able to help you with childcare, transportation, or even provide emotional support. Sometimes they may even cover some of your finances. Of course, they are not always the biggest supporters we have, although they might be for you. And even if they aren't, we should never minimize the support they may give. Key person/people number 5, a close friend, a coworker, or colleague, or a group of them. Never dismiss the value of a good friend. Oftentimes, these are the people who are really great for emotional support. They might be the one that you call in the middle of the night when you're feeling a bit unstable. They can provide sound advice, and if you are very close, they will tell you the truth, even if it's hard for you to hear it. We all need people like that in our life. They will cheer you on when you are down. Key person/people number 6. Your cohort. Your entire cohort or class will be a big part of your support system. Whether you're studying online or in person, embrace your cohort. I often tell nursing students on day 1 to look around the classroom because this will be your new family for your time in nursing school. Many times, students develop lifelong relationships with who they went to nursing school with. Since nursing school is so difficult, the cohort weathers the storm together and strong bonds are formed. And no one can truly understand what you're experiencing as well as your cohort, since they are experiencing exactly the same thing at exactly the same time you are. That brings us to key person/people number 7, a classmate or a study partner. So finally, you will likely have a super close relationship with a classmate or a study partner, or a small group of classmates. You will lean on them the most likely. This person or small group can really be valuable. They will pull you up when you are down and vice versa. You will need someone to study with, cry with, and call to scream to when you nailed the exam. They will understand things about nursing school that your significant other or spouse may not. They will often become a confidant as you feel safe with them. They will be a cheerleader for you and you for them. You need each other. All right, so to recap, I gave you a total of 7 different types of key people that can help support you through nursing school. Don't let yourself go through nursing school alone. In the comments below, drop maybe a couple of suggestions of people that are in your support system. These people will be around you and surround you, and you will not only survive in nursing school, but thrive in nursing school. I'll see you in the next video, and remember, keep on thriving.